Imagine if your architectural clay models get rendered within no time and you will be having a full command and control on your workflow. Today we are going to render the clay models using comfyUI and Fabrie. We will be using the same model which we developed in the last session, and its link is in the description. But before going to screen, let me tell about the comfyUI. comfyUI is a node-based GUI for the stable diffusion, where we can construct the images by plugging different nodes and we can get our results. On the other hand, Fabrie is a whiteboard platform for architects and designers. It gives us features like mental mapping, flowcharts, drawing, and you can also put your mood board, take notes, and we can also get the images through prompts. But the point is, we have seen so many these AI generated images which are flooded all over the internet. We as architects should have so much control so that we can use all these prompt engineering in our workflow. Hi, I'm Zishan from crosshats.com, and let's start our today's session. So guys, this is the user interface for the comfyUI, and where you can put your prompts. But before going to putting the prompts, make some little settings. Make it like straight so that you can see the nodes in a very linear way. This is your text prompt, make it green, and the negative prompt you can make it as red, where you can put the things which you don't want. And this is our main text box. So the first prompt we are going to put like a house besides beach, and to hit the command we are putting Ctrl plus enter, and you can see that there is a beach. So first we'll going to load our image, which is our clay model image, from our directory, and then we are going to pass through the k-sampler. But before going to putting to k-sampler, we are using the node which is getting the image size, and then we'll connect it to the latent image. To run the command, we have to just press the Ctrl plus enter, and then it will process and then render the image. But as you can see that right now when we pass the command, we are not getting the desired results. So to get the desired results, we have to give them a couple of constraints. The first constraint, we are going to give the depth map, and the second one is we are going to use the line art. And if we are missing some of the nodes, we'll go to the manager and install the models which are missing. In our case, we are, as you can see, that auxiliary preprocessors are not there, so we are going to update them so that we can use for our depth map. On every node there is a color coding mentioned, so that you can connect it to their respective color nodes like green, peach. So that also shows that where to connect, like positive goes to the positive and the negative will go to the negative. Grouping the nodes is a very helpful. It makes the whole your script very neat and tidy. And to see about the processor, we can also use the node, preview node. So now after giving a constraint, now let's run the command and see how are these results. See, they are pretty nice, but not are matching with our requirements. Okay, we can also play with these parameters, like this is the denoising. The lesser the denoising, the more you give the leverage to the AI to do its work. Okay, that's pretty fine. Now we are going to give another constraint, which is the line art, the same way which we did it earlier. Same, we'll be going to have a preview for this preprocessor. We can also play with its parameter by giving the strength, like right now it is 1, but we can also give different strength so that we can see have the different results. Okay, so after passing these couple of constraints, now let's see how the result is going to be. Oh, voila. Okay, that's something which we'll be expecting. Okay, just reducing some of the strengths. Okay, now we'll go to our prompt and to give some more prompts like the glass building and wooden floor, and we can also include some other prompts. We can play with these all prompts. So guys, this is a little brief first clay model rendered through comfyUI, and now we will proceed for the fabrie. Okay, so this is the user interface for the fabrie. It's a very neat whiteboard for the designers where you can put a lot of things. Okay, but we're going to start from our clay model. Okay, this is our clay model, which we'll get it from our directory. You just have to there is on the left side there is an option that AI, where you can upload this image like render, sketch image, or as 3D model, and below that you can just give your prompt, like I gave it as like wooden structure, and run the command. And now we are going to see, and we have like these 4 options, like how quick it is. Okay, so it's very simple, straight. You can give so many prompts. There are so many already presets there which you can try, like modern architecture, interior architecture, for illustrations, and then just do your thing. So if we can upscale if any one of the renders which we think that okay, this is are up to our mark, we can upscale. Again, it's the same denoising thing. The lesser you put, the more you give AI to do its thing, the strength thing. So we are playing some parameters and see how the results are coming. They are pretty very nice. Like, see, I like this one image and I wanted to upscale it as it's very much to our requirements. So that's it for the Fabrie. It's very quick clay model rendering through Fabrie. So thank you and do subscribe.